Welcome to all of you. Today in this part 2 of lesson 4 editing in Word, you will study about the topic editing text, spell check, find and replace. So the first topic is editing text. So in this you can change the document of your word, line, text, paragraph, document. So our first topic is editing text. In this you can also make changes to your documents like a word, text, paragraph or a entire document. You can change anything in this. So to making the changes to a document is called editing. So here are first some examples and the methods how to select the text. Before making any changes to the text, it is important to select the text. So first you have to select the text to make any changes on that document. So the selected text is highlighted in blue color. The empty space at the left hand margin of the text is known as selection bar. So this left side is your selection bar of your text. So you can quickly select lines, paragraph or the whole document by using the selection bar. So you can click here to select the line, paragraph or the whole document just by clicking over here. You can select text by using a mouse, a keyboard or both. Okay, so you can select the text with the help of mouse to select the text and with the help of keyboard also, or with both of these, keyboard and mouse. So the first method to select text using mouse. So in this you will see how we will select the text using mouse. So you can select any part of the text by dragging the mouse over it. You can also select different parts of the text by just clicking on the text as given below. So you can select the text by dragging the mouse over. Okay, so like this we are dragging the mouse over the text and the text is selecting. Okay, so next, how to select a word, how to select a single word. Double click anywhere on that word. So to select a single word, just a double click on any word. So I am clicking on this word, double click, and you can see here that this word is selected. Okay. Next is how to select a line of text. So click on the selection bar to the left of the line. So this is the selection bar I have told you just now. So you have to click a single click to select the line. So you can see I have just clicked a single to select the line. Okay, like this you can select the line. Next is paragraph. Triple click anywhere on the paragraph or double click on the selection bar to the left of the paragraph. So first we will see this, triple click anywhere on the paragraph. So this is our paragraph and we will triple click on this paragraph. So you can see here that while triple click anywhere in this paragraph, your whole paragraph will be selected. Okay. After that, or double click on the selection bar to the left of the paragraph. So this is the left of the paragraph. We will double click here and you can see like this also we can select the paragraph. Okay. Next is entire document. How will you select the entire document of whole page? So for this, triple click anywhere on the selection bar. So this left side is our selection bar. We will triple click here to select the whole page text. Okay, just see. So I have triple click here and you can see the whole text of this page has been selected. Okay. Now next is selecting text using keyboard. So place the cursor to the left of the text from where you want to start selection. So to write any text, you have to first place the cursor to the left of the text. Press different keys to make different selections. So here are some different ways to select the text. So in this, to select the one character towards right of cursor, shift plus forward arrow key. Okay, shift plus forward key will select the characters towards the right of the cursor. So let us see how to do it. So suppose, for example, this is our text and this is the cursor. Okay, so we will click here. Okay, now you can see the cursor is blinking here. Okay, then after that we will press the shift button and the forward arrow key. Okay, now you can see while pressing the arrow key, the text is selecting with the help of keyboard. Second is one character towards left of the cursor. So for this you have to press the shift button plus left, moving the backward arrow key. Okay, see, I am clicking here to place the cursor and pressing the shift button and the back arrow key. So now it is selecting back side, back of the cursor. Okay, so like this you can select this also. Now the next is one line up. To select the one line up, shift plus up arrow key. I am clicking over here and while pressing the shift button and the up arrow key. So you can see this line is also selected and just upside of this line, this text are also selected. Okay, so it will select only where your cursor will be placed. Okay, now move to the next one. That is one line down. So shift plus down arrow. Let us see. So I am placing here the cursor, then pressing the shift and the down arrow key. You can see this line and this line, both lines are selected with the help of keyboard buttons. Next is till the beginning of the line, means from where your cursor is placed, from that place to the starting of that line it will select. So for this, shift plus home key. See this also. So here is our cursor and we will press the shift and home button. Okay, so like this, from this cursor place to the beginning of the line it is selected. Now the next is till the end of the line, means from the place of cursor to the end of the line. For this, shift plus end key. Okay, so this is our cursor place, and we will press the shift button and the end button. So like this, we can select the from the place of cursor to the last of line. Okay, now the next is till the beginning of the document, means in this from the place of cursor to the beginning, means at the starting of your document. So let us see. So this is our cursor place, and we will press Ctrl Shift and Home. So you can see here from the place of cursor till the beginning of the document, the whole text is selected. Okay, next is till the end of the document. In this, from the place of cursor till the last end of the document, the text will be selected. For this, you have to click on Shift Control End button. See this also. So this is our cursor place, and we will click on Control Shift End button. So whatever the text in this between, all the text are selected from cursor place to the end of the document. Okay, next is entire document. So in this, you can select all the documents of this MS Word. For that, you have to click on Ctrl plus A. So just see this, click anywhere and press the Control button and A button. You can see all the documents of this page has been selected. So like this, you can select all the text of a single page or a whole document. Now the next is selecting text using keyboard and mouse. So you can also select text by using both the keyboard and the mouse. So first, to select a sentence, hold down Ctrl key and click anywhere on the sentence. So see this. So this is, for example, take this as a sentence, and I am pressing the Ctrl key and click the left mouse button. So you can see while pressing the Ctrl plus click anywhere on this sentence, the whole sentence will be selected. Next is how to select multiple lines of text. So for this, click at the start of the selection, hold down Shift key and click where you want the selection to end. So let us see. So for this, we will select from this before to this selection bar. So I have placed the cursor here, and now I will press the Shift button and click at the right side of this bar. Okay, so now you can see this is the multiple line selection with the help of keyboard and mouse. And in this figure, you can see how to select using a mouse, keyboard, and both with the help of keyboard and mouse. And all these methods I have told you. Now the next is inserting text. So in this, you will see how to insert the text anywhere in your document. Now to start from the new line, we will click here, and you can see here the cursor has placed. So from here we can start typing. Hello, how are you? So you can see I have placed the text cursor here and start typing. Same like this also, if you want to insert any text in between of the sentence or the paragraph, so you have to click between that two words. Okay, then after that you can type it. So suppose it is, I want to insert the, okay, so like this in between also we can insert the text. Next is over typing text. That means if you want to replace any text which is already written in your paragraph or a sentence. So for this, just see what you have to do. Over type any text. For that you have to select that text. Okay. For example, if I want to change this important, so first of all we have to select this important and then we can type the new word. So I am typing here necessary. It is necessary to select the text. So like this we can overwrite the text. Next is deleting text. So in this there are the two methods to delete any text or the characters. This is to press the backspace and to press the delete key. So this, while pressing these two different keys, you can delete the characters or a sentence. Okay, let us see. So when you will press the backspace button, it will delete from the left of the cursor. So here we have placed the cursor, and while pressing the backspace, it will delete the left side characters. Okay, and while pressing the delete button, it will delete towards the right side of the cursor. So you can see it is deleting right side of the cursor. Okay, so in this, with the help of backspace button and the delete key button, you can delete the sentence or the characters. Next is undo and redo. So the undo and redo commands are present on the quick access toolbar. So you can see here, these are the undo and redo button. So this is undo, move, resize object, and this is the repeat click, means a redo button. Okay, so undo commands is used to cancel the last action done in the documents. Means from this, while clicking on this undo button, you will move one step back to your last action. And the redo commands is used to cancel the action of the undo commands. Means while clicking on this redo command, you will move one step forward to the last action. So you can let us see the example. Come here. So I am deleting this text. So okay, it is deleted. Now we will click on this undo button. Okay, and you will observe here we will get that text word back. So we have got this text button back. Okay, so now to again repeat the last step, means how to redo it, we will click on this redo. So you can see the last steps. In the last step there was not the text word, so in redo it is deleted. Now the Next is copying text. Copying means to create a duplicate copy of the selected text. The selected text remains at the both locations after copying. So to copy text, copy and paste commands are used. So let us see how to copy and how to paste the text in Word. For example, I want to copy this. Hello, how are you? So first you have to select this and right click on this and click on the copy button and move to the next place. Place your cursor wherever you want to paste it and right click on it and click on paste button. Okay, so in copying text, the both text will be okay. In this place it is also there is your text and in this place also there is your text. So it will remain at the both place in copying text. Now the next is moving text. Moving means to shift the selected text from one place to another place. The selected text is deleted from its original place after moving. To create text, cut and paste commands are used. So let us see the example how to move the text. So for example, if we want to move this text, first of all we have to select this and right click on this text, click on cut button. So you can see it is deleted from this place. Now wherever you want to type this text, you want to paste this text, you can just move the cursor there and right click and click on paste button. So you can see this sentence has been moved from this place to another place. Okay, now the next is spell check. So in MS Word, it helps us in identify spelling and grammatical mistakes. So the spelling mistakes is highlighted with the red wavy lines and the grammatical mistakes highlighted with green or blue wavy lines. So let us see the example when if there any spelling mistakes are there. Okay, so here you can see this red wavy lines. That means this spelling is wrong. So in this, how you can correct this spelling? So for this you have to right click on this and here you will get some suggested words. So this is the correct spelling. So you will click here in this fold and you can see this spelling has been corrected. Okay, so like this you can correct all the spellings, and if you know that this spelling is correct and after that also red wavy line is showing, so you can ignore it. And you can also right click and click to ignore, and if you want to keep the word as it is, and it will remove the wavy lines from this. Okay, now the green or the blue wavy lines, so it shows the grammatical mistakes in your document. So to correct this, again you have to right click on this and you will get the suggested word. So here is is. So my brother is a doctor. This is a correct sentence. So like this also you can correct your grammatical mistakes from in MS Word. So now the next is find. In this find option, you can find out any of the word or a sentence in this document, and also if you want to replace from any other word, you can do in this find and replace. So let us see how you can do this. Okay, now here you can see that I have changed this spelling of click. Okay, so first of all we will find this spelling. For that you have to go to here in the option of find and click here, and in the left side there is a navigation pane, and here you will write this spelling CLIK. Okay, now you can see all this spelling has been highlighted. Okay, and now we want to change this quickly. Okay, so for that the next is replace. So how to replace this? Go to here in the replace button, click here, and we want to replace this click, replace with the correct spelling CLIC. Okay, so replace all. Okay, and close it. So you can see all these click spellings has been changed. So like this you can do all the editings in MS Word. I hope you all can understand all these things. Thank you.